Hello and welcome to Crazy Scientist episode
5. No. 7.
Number 7, yes, number 7. And we call this the Cinnamon Challenge.
Yes.
And it's actually kanil on Icelandic. This is a cinnamon, glass of water if you lose. This is the spit can only for losers. And these two are these two. Take a scoop of. Don't put it in your mouth. I'll tell you when you have to. Okay, yes. Take a scoop. You have to fill it. Fill the whole scoop like that. Yes. Yeah.
Fill.
Okay.
Fill.
Okay. No, don't. Okay, I need to get a good shot. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Daniel is a loser. Okay, ætlar að kinka því? Okay, I need to cut. Okay. Okay, get a guess. Okay, I need to say something on Icelandic. Fá þér vatnsglas.
Oh shit.
I need to get out of here. Okay. I just have to stare at the birdies. Okay. I need to stare at the birdies. Okay. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next Crazy Scientist episode. And this was our special guest.
Hello.
Bye.